Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about how to get healthier, stronger, thicker hair that falls out less, has less breakage, hair that's able to grow long and strong. I get so many questions from women and men. They've totally changed their hair routines, but they're still not seeing the results that they think they should be having at that point. I want to share some things that you can be doing that are going to amp up your hair game even more. Before we jump in, I would like to thank Ovation Hair for sponsoring today's video. I have been testing out their Cell Therapy product. Cell Therapy is a protein and nutrient packed treatment that you apply straight to your scalp, and you use this and integrate it into your shower routine. The set that I have here includes the Color Therapy shampoo, the Cell Therapy scalp treatment, as well as the Color Therapy conditioner. All three of these products are paraben, sulfate, and cruelty-free. Ovation Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment is a step that goes in between your shampoo and your conditioner. So I'm going to start off by shampooing my hair, and once that is rinsed out, it's time to go in with the Cell Therapy product. As you can see, it does have a thicker consistency, very similar to conditioner. So it is moisturizing on the hair. You're going to want to work this into your scalp really well first. Make sure you're giving yourself a nice scalp massage. I did mention that this is a protein-packed treatment, and even though my hair is protein sensitive, I haven't had any issues with this product, and my hair really likes it. So you want to make sure that you are also working the product all the way down to the ends of your hair as well. I normally use this anywhere from 2 to 3 times per week. It is safe for all different hair types, so whether you already have healthy hair or your hair is damaged, it's a great way to add a boost to your hair routine. So once that's fully distributed, I'm going to wrap my hair up, leave the product in for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it out and condition as normal. Since I started using this, my biggest thing I've noticed is the ends of my hair. They're curling up much more than they were before. You know, it's very obvious when curly hair needs a trim because the ends start to get a bit straight. This is not wash day hair. This is like third day hair. I've also noticed things like my hair has slightly more shine, a little bit more bounce. There's absolutely no greasy residue, no oiliness. It doesn't make me have to wash my hair any sooner. So if you have really damaged hair, you're looking for something that's going to give your hair a little bit more body and shine, I would definitely check out the Cell Therapy treatment. I will have a link in the description box for this entire set down below if you guys are interested. So the next products I think you should try implementing into your routine for longer and stronger, thicker hair are hair oils. And these are relatively new to me. I was a little bit of a non-believer when it came to hair oils. Here I have Jamaican black castor oil as well as red pimento hair growth oil. So I used castor oil a long time ago, not Jamaican black castor oil, just regular castor oil. And I used it on my scalp way back when my hair was really in the dark ages. Apparently, hair crack is Jamaican black castor oil, and that's because the beans are roasted, apparently, giving the oil more of an ash content, which makes it better for hair growth. It's also going to moisturize your hair. It's going to reduce breakage. There's a lot of really good benefits from this. Also, I feel like it can't hurt to throw in an actual hair growth oil into the mix. So I usually mix both of these together, give myself a nice scalp massage, which you should also be doing whether or not you're using oil. Always give yourself scalp massages. Just do it, trust me. Sometimes I feel like I have to shampoo twice if I put a lot in, but truly a little bit goes a long way with this stuff, so you don't have to go crazy. But I've really been liking this combination so far, and I definitely think it's worth checking out. The next thing you might want to think about doing for longer, stronger, thicker hair is taking hair vitamins. So the ones that I'm taking right now are the Hair Sweet Hair for stronger, healthier hair. These are not necessary for everyone. I just want to say that. I get a lot of my micronutrients, my vitamins, my minerals. I do just kind of want to see if they work or make a difference because these had really, really good reviews. But I will say, and I'm not knocking anyone, you know, Generally, a lot of people have deficiencies. If you think that's you, maybe you're not eating enough fruits, vegetables, you're not getting in all the nutrients that you should be, you might want to look into a vitamin to supplement. If you feel like you could use a little bit of a boost, this might be something worth looking into. I really like this brand for the fact that it tastes really good and they're gummy vitamins, but I mean, really any hair, skin, or a nail vitamin will do. And then the last thing I think you should be doing for healthier, thicker, stronger, and longer hair is clarifying. I do think it's important that you do this once a week. Curly hair especially, you're applying a lot of products to your hair. Also, not to mention like pollutants from outside, oils from our scalps, which are good. We go longer periods without washing our hair, so we tend to have buildup there. If you're not removing that buildup, you could be clogging your hair follicles, and you want to get all of that away so our hair can grow out of those follicles all healthy and strong. If you feel like maybe your hair is falling out more than usual, or it's not as thick as it once was, try clarifying your hair if you're not already. My favorite clarifying product is the Deeper Curl Buildup Buster because this does not strip my hair, does not dry it out. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude today's video. Hopefully I introduced you guys to some new products that you can implement into your routine if you feel like your hair is lacking, it's just not thriving like it could. If you have any other tips or products that you love for healthier, stronger hair, go ahead and leave them down below. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already. I'll also have my Instagram down below if you want to go check that out. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you next time.